Green hydrogen is expected to be the critical fuel of the future as economies transition to low-carbon world. Today, the Astana Times attended the Central Asian and European Hydrogen Diplomacy Forum, aiming to gain insights from both local and international experts on the role green hydrogen may play in the region, along with challenges and opportunities associated with its production and export. Kazakhstan's ambition to produce and utilize green hydrogen is part of its decarbonization strategy. The country aims to integrate hydrogen into its domestic market, particularly for transportation and energy storage.
The main strategic document on the climate change and decarbonization issues of Kazakhstan is strategy of low carbon development and achieving carbon neutrality up until 2060. And basically it's an umbrella document which identifies the key areas of work in terms of decarbonization, and of course there is a role of hydrogen in the overall decarbonization process of Kazakhstan. We would like to elaborate on this, we would use hydrogen in transport sector where the electrification is tough. For example, in the fleets or in the air transport, you cannot electrify the transport. So basically you will use hydrogen in order to decrease the emissions from this sector. And of course, the hydrogen can be used as a transformative sector where you from the renewable energy resources produce hydrogen and then use hydrogen after in order to reduce electricity again. So basically now the technologies of the storage of electricity is very high. So basically when you produce electricity you have to have a storage because it's unsustainable. For example, in day you have sun, basically at night you don't have it. So basically you have to have some kind of storage. But using hydrogen can use, for example, the solar or wind electricity, produce hydrogen and store it, and then after use for the electricity resources.
The Green Hydrogen Alliance of Kazakhstan was established last year to advance the development of green hydrogen in the country. Currently, the alliance is focused on creating a regulatory framework and initiating several pilot projects that enable the near-term use of hydrogen.
Green hydrogen is very costly compared to the traditional fossil-based hydrogen. So there is some transitional way to switch for green hydrogen. And we are working with Eurasian national universities. They are developing some block schemes to implement this industrial installations for future use at power plants, which are going to switch from coal to gas. As you know, right now in Almaty, there are power plants that plan to switch from coal to natural gas. So this is the one way how to use the hydrogen.
Central Asia has all the potential to implement hydrogen production due to abundance of renewable energy sources. This also ensures the sustainability of its implementation.
Now all the countries are trying to increase the share of renewable energies in their energy mix, including in Central Asia. But some countries have more potential, some of them have less. Natural potential in Central Asia is high, very high. It's solar and wind energy in every country of Central Asia, hydropower in upstream countries like Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. But the issue is not only just national or physical or geographical potential, but also how this potential could be utilized at the, let's say, cost-effective manner. And in this sense, we observe very positive trends that the technologies are becoming cheaper. Countries understand the necessity of promotion of renewable energies.